Today we're looking at the difference between denoise and super resolution in Lightroom. Right now the photo has denoise applied. Let me turn it off so you can actually see what's happening. Okay, as soon as I disable it, notice how the image becomes much more pixelated and noisy, especially in the darker areas. This shot was intentionally underexposed. That was the mood I wanted when I captured it. So naturally it has a bit of grain. Now let's try super resolution. When I turn it on, the image instantly becomes sharper. Super resolution basically doubles the pixel count using AI, so the photo gets more detail. But it also introduces more noise since it's pulling out texture that wasn't really there. If you zoom out, it looks fine, but when you zoom in, you can clearly see the extra grain and even a slight green tint. Now let's switch back to denoise. As soon as I turn it on, the grain gets cleaned up and the image looks smoother again. The trade-off is you lose a bit of detail, but we can bring some of that back using texture or clarity. Let me add a little texture, not too much, around 10. There you go. Now the image has some detail restored without bringing the noise back.